I would like to take this golden chance to congratulate my fellow senior 6 candidates for having reached such a wonderful moment that tomorrow they're going to release your results, or even today probably. It depends the time you're watching this video, because I've made this video on Thursday evening at 19 o'clock. So this tutorial is about checking the UACE results both by SMS and online. Many of you guys would like to check for your friend's UACE results, but you won't manage the charges. So this video is right for you. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. Let us start the tutorial. We're going to open I'm going to start by the SMS method, and in the SMS method you're going to open your phone's SMS, and then after opening the phone's SMS you're going to go right here where you have add a new message. It depends on devices. Some devices may have something like this right down here, and then check the add a new message. Then after you're going to send a message to 6600 and then press the tick button. Then here where we check from your UACE results, type UACE in capital letter, leave a space. Then after put in your school center number, in this case 2898, then slash, put your personal number 521. Then after, make sure that you have an airtime balance of 500 Uganda shilling. This method may be working for an individual, not a group, because once it is a group you will need more airtime. So let us go to the online method. Then you send. After sending, you receive an SMS in a meanwhile. So let us visit the online method where we will check for all your friends. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video. If you get any problem, the comment section is open. So let us go to the online method. In the online method, you're going to open our browser. If I say a browser, I mean Google Chrome, Opera Mini, Firefox, and any form of browser, Edge, Microsoft Edge, and other browsers. Then open. After opening, go where you search from. Make sure that you have an internet connection. In this case, let me connect to my Wi-Fi and I come back. So I have connected to my Wi-Fi, and then after connecting to your Wi-Fi, search http ileg.uneb.sc.ug/e-results, and then search. This website right now, it is temporarily unavailable, not permanently, but temporarily unavailable, because they haven't yet released the UACE results. But if they release the UACE results, they will open up this website. So don't forget to subscribe. I sign out.